Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Amara here. It's another cooking video, guys. Today I will be making soup, egusi soup and beans. This beans that I'm about to make is exceptional, guys. I will be adding blended plantain in these beans. If your child doesn't like to eat beans, try my recipe. I bet you he will eat and remain no crumbs.
Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here with you. Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. We paint our story in the stars above.
Here I'm cleaning my egusi, making sure that it is properly clean. I filtered it and then I went ahead to pick the egusi one after the other because it has so much sand in it. After picking the egusi, this is what I got. These are the dirt plus the sand and stone that I got. After that, I will be blending it till smooth. I will also be cleaning my crayfish because it has dirt in it, and also there are some small tiny creatures in it that I wouldn't want to see in my soup. I will go ahead and pick them one after the other. As you can see, this is what came out from the crayfish.
Amara, oh Amara, I'm lost in what we do. Oh Amara.
Here I have parboiled my beans already. This is the first parboiling. I will still going to parboil it again to prevent heartburn or purge. So here, this is the last washing of these beans. I will go ahead and start cooking. I added blended onion. My kids came to the kitchen and started crying for food, that they are hungry already, and I'm not yet done, so I had to clean up this papaya and give them to eat while they wait for me to finish my cooking.
What we do. Oh Amara, Amara, the song never ends. In this life with you we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh Amara, forever it's true.
Our meat for the egusi soup is properly cooked. I went ahead to add in my red oil and my blended crayfish. Here our egusi is properly blended. I poured it in my pan, added just a little salt and a little blended onion. I'm going to mix it together to give me a kind of lumpy texture.
Amara, you light up the sky with every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, I see the dawn, a brand new world where we belong. You speak in silence, love in every touch, a gentle whisper, but it says so much.
Our soup is boiling already. I went ahead to add in the egusi that I mixed earlier. This is how I'll be throwing it in the pot, and then I added in my chicken because the chicken has cooked already, so I brought it out from the fire so it will not be too tender. Here our egusi is ready. I will go ahead to add in a vegetable, just little vegetable depending on your preference though, but I don't like it too much in my egusi, especially when I'm cooking this type of egusi. I like to add just very little of vegetable. Our egusi is looking so nice and yummy already.
Fire of your heart, I'm never the same. The days are sweet, the nights are wild. Amara, you make me feel like a child. We run with the wind and dance with the rain. Life with you.
After that, I proceeded to my beans pot. My beans, it has been cooking for a very long time, so I added in the blended plantain. This is blended plantain. it's this plantain that is going to take this beans to another level. After that, I added in my red oil. I proceeded in making my semolina for our special egusi soup that we have just made. So this is how I make my semolina. I don't know, is there any other method, but this method works for me. Here our semo or our swallow is almost done.
Understand life with Amara, it's a melody so true. With every step, every beat, I fall deeper into you. The world can turn, but I'll be here.
As an African woman that I am, I had to mold this swallow so it will be very enticing. You know, they said in my language first, anya neri before nueri. In English, it simply means that the eyes eat before the mouth eat. So this is our swallow. It's looking so nice. I went ahead to store the remaining soup that I have made. I will also be storing my beans also in the freezer for later use. So my lovelies, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for always supporting me. For my old and new subscribers, you all are the best. Please, my love, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Stay blessed.
Amara, the song never ends. In this life with you, we'll always transcend. So let's stay here, just me and you. Amara, oh Amara, forever, it's true.